So in this video, we are going to learn how to fix Google Chrome high CPU usage. Sometimes too many open tabs can increase CPU usage, so close all the tabs you are not using. Open the Google Chrome, choose your account, then on the top right, click the three dots, then scroll down and click on the extensions. After extension, click on manage extensions. Now you can manage or you can disable or remove extension you don't need. In my Chrome, there is no any extensions, but you can disable or remove extension you don't need, and then press Ctrl Shift Escape. It will open the task manager, and then select go to the process, and here select the tab or extension using the high CPU usage and click end process, and then you can select any, and then you can end the task. Here you can go here and end the task. Go back and then again click the three dots, click on the settings, click on the privacy and security, and click on the delete browsing data, and you can delete data from here. Close the Chrome completely, refresh it, and then open again, choose your account. This often reduces CPU usage. After these steps, Google Chrome should run faster and use less CPU.